In this lesson, we'll explore SAP ERP Central Component ECC, the integrated software suite that many companies use to manage their core business operations. This is what keeps all its departments from production and inventory to sales and finance for many global companies in sync to get your favorite products on the shelf. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what SAP ECC is, how it works at a high level, and why businesses choose it to run smoothly. Let's dive in. SAP ECC ERP Central Component is SAP's on-premises enterprise resource planning system that integrates a company's key processes into one unified platform. In plain terms, ECC brings together data and activities from different departments: finance, human resources, sales, supply chain, manufacturing, and more, and stores everything in a centralized database. This means that information created in one area, say a sales order in the sales department, is immediately available to other areas like inventory or finance in real time. Having this single real-time source of truth enables managers to make quick, data-driven decisions because everyone is looking at the same up-to-date. To put it into perspective, SAP ECC is the digital backbone for many large and medium-sized companies across industries, from pharmaceuticals to consumer goods. PepsiCo, for example, chose SAP's integrated ERP suite to standardize and unify its global operations across divisions like Frito-Lay, Tropicana, and Gatorade. Instead of each division using different software, they moved to one SAP ECC-based system so that all of Pepsi's businesses could integrate their processes and speak the same data language. This is a hallmark of ECC, breaking down silos and enabling the entire enterprise to run on one cohesive platform. One of the key strengths of SAP ECC is its modular architecture. ECC is made up of functional modules like financial accounting, sales and distribution, materials management, production planning, etc. But all these modules are tightly integrated within a single system. In older setups, companies might have had separate software for each department, leading to lots of manual data transfers and delays. ECC's design eliminates those gaps. When an event happens in one module, relevant data is instantly shared with others automatically. No duplicate data entry or overnight batch jobs needed. SAP's classic three-tier architecture, presentation, application, database, underpins ECC. This design, inherited from the R3 system, allows many users and modules to work concurrently on a central database. Under the hood, SAP ECC runs on a robust three-tier client-server architecture, a design introduced with SAP R3. There's a database layer where all the business data is stored in an RDBMS, an application layer where the business logic and processing happens, often in SAP's ABAP servers, and a presentation layer, the user interface, such as SAP GUI or a web portal. You don't need to be an IT expert to appreciate this architecture. What it means for a company is that hundreds of users in different roles can use the system at the same time, and every action stays consistent. For example, a warehouse manager updating stock levels and a finance analyst reviewing sales can work simultaneously, and any inventory update is immediately reflected for the finance team. This real-time processing is a game changer. As soon as a transaction is recorded in one area, all other relevant areas are updated right away. Now imagine if those departments were using separate systems that didn't talk to each other. How easy would it be for something to slip through the cracks? What do you think could go wrong if your organization's sales and production teams were not instantly aware of each other's data? likely delays, stockouts, or overspending. ECC's integrated real-time approach prevents those headaches by design. Businesses invest in SAP ECC because it embodies the core principles of ERP: integration, standardization, and efficiency. By having all critical processes in one system, companies can streamline operations, reduce errors, and improve collaboration across departments. SAP ECC comes with proven best practice processes built in based on SAP's experience with thousands of companies. This means a company can leverage pre-designed processes for things like order to cash or procurement to pay rather than reinventing the wheel. The software is highly configurable to fit specific needs, but at its heart, it enforces consistency. The benefits of this integration are significant, starting with a single source of truth. Everyone in the organization works with the same unified data. For instance, the sales team and the finance team see identical order and payment information in ECC. This consistency reduces miscommunication and ensures all decisions rely on accurate, reliable data. Next is improved efficiency. ECC automates and connects tasks that previously required manual intervention. For example, the system can automatically trigger subsequent steps in processes such as restocking without human delays. Routine tasks like posting invoices or updating inventory occur swiftly and consistently. This automation streamlines business operations and eliminates redundant data entry. Another key benefit is reduced errors and enhanced compliance. When data flows seamlessly through one integrated system, the risk of information getting lost or misunderstood between separate systems diminishes greatly. Standardized processes make enforcing controls and regulatory compliance simpler. ECC helps establish clear procedures for business activities, significantly reducing human error and duplicate work. Additionally, there's enhanced collaboration. With departments interconnected through ECC, a more collaborative environment naturally emerges. Procurement clearly understands production needs because these requirements are visible in the system. The sales team has immediate access to current inventory data, and management can quickly generate comprehensive reports. This connectivity effectively breaks down the organizational silos common in large companies. Finally, ECC enables data-driven decisions. Integrated modules and real-time updates in ECC deliver extensive reporting and analytics across every aspect of the business. Managers can instantly analyze live data such as financial outcomes, sales performance, and production output, eliminating the need to wait for month-end consultations. This real-time analytical agility means companies can rapidly adapt to market shifts. Consider why up-to-the-minute data might be especially crucial for a company like Pepsi. Given how quickly consumer preferences and production costs can change, lacking real-time visibility could delay their response, potentially impacting profitability and customer satisfaction. Another big reason companies chose ECC historically is that it's a tried and true platform. It has been used worldwide by enterprises to run mission-critical operations for decades. SAP ECC can handle large volumes of transactions and users, which is vital for global businesses. In the early 2000s, when PepsiCo evaluated ERP vendors, they ultimately went with SAP in part due to SAP's extensive track record in the consumer goods. They knew SAP's ERP could handle their scale and complexity. By standardizing on ECC, PepsiCo aimed to unify various acquired businesses into one cohesive operation, a task that simply isn't feasible with disconnected legacy systems. Many other companies have similar stories. where adopting ECC helped replace a patchwork of old systems with one integrated solution. You might be curious how ECC fits into the SAP story, especially if you've heard of SAP R3. Think of ECC as the next generation of SAP's core ERP that followed R3. SAP R3 was the famous ERP system SAP released in 1992, and it introduced that three-tier architecture and modular approach we discussed. R3 was a huge success in the 1990s and early 2000s. It allowed companies worldwide to integrate processes on a client-server platform. However, by the early 2000s, business and technology needs were evolving. Think web interfaces, broader integration, and more data. In 2004, SAP introduced ECC as part of SAP ERP 5.0 and 6.0, which was essentially an updated version of R3 with new capabilities. ECC ERP Central Component got its name because SAP started positioning it as the central piece of a bigger SAP business suite. This suite included not just the core ERP, ECC, but also add-ons like CRM, Customer Relationship Management, SRM, Supplier Relationship Management, SCM, Supply Chain Management, and so on, which could all connect to the ECC core. In other words, ECC was the heart of SAP's offerings, handling all the internal enterprise processes, while specialized systems could plug into it. What changed from R3 to ECC? At a high level, ECC was more of an evolution than a radical change. The user experience and the idea of modules remained similar, so an end user moving from R3 to ECC would notice improvements, but not a completely new system. The improvements were under the hood: enhanced integration, support for internet-based access, thanks to things like SAP's Internet Transaction Server, and updated technology to better interface with modern platforms. SAP ECC also came with extended functionality out of the box and a structure ready for the digital transformation era of the 2000s. For example, ECC 6.0, released around 2006, introduced the concept of enhancement packs to deliver updates, showing SAP's shift to a more flexible upgrade model. It's worth noting that ECC has been the foundation for many years, and only in the mid-2010s did SAP introduce its next generation ERP SAP S/4HANA, which is built on an in-memory database and modernized data model. In the history lesson, you learned how SAP kept reinventing its ERP solutions, R2 to R3 to ECC to S/4HANA. ECC is a crucial link in that chain. It's the modernized version of SAP ERP that bridged the classic era and the new era. In fact, as of today, countless companies still run on ECC, and SAP continues to support it, with maintenance promised until 2027, as they gradually help clients move to newer systems. So when we discuss SAP ERP in a business context, ECC is often what we are referring to if we mean the established, widely deployed SAP ERP system used throughout the 2000s and 2010s. The key takeaway is that ECC maintained SAP's ERP principles and success from the R3 era while pushing the technology forward. It ensured that SAP's thousands of customers could continue to rely on a stable ERP core as business needs grew more complex. SAP ECC is essentially the engine room of enterprise operations for many big companies, PepsiCo included, throughout the last 2 decades. In this lesson, we positioned ECC in the SAP ERP story as the cornerstone product that exemplifies how ERP brings together all facets of a business. Why do you think having everything integrated in one system is such a big deal for a company like Pepsi? Consider the complexity of global operations and how difficult it would be to make quick decisions if data were scattered in dozens of different tools. ECC solved that problem by providing one comprehensive platform. Before we move on, take a moment to reflect. If you were in charge of a growing company, how would an ERP like SAP ECC change the way you manage your business? Keep that thought in mind and get ready to see ECC in action in our upcoming sessions. Integrating an entire enterprise is no small feat, and SAP ECC has been a trusted solution to do just that, helping organizations run smarter, faster, and with fewer errors. It's the reason you can trust that Pepsi's products reach stores efficiently, or that your airline ticket purchase is logged correctly, or that your bank's finances stay balanced. SAP ECC might be working behind the scenes. Now, let's continue our journey to understand how such an ERP system actually works in practice.